Hey guys, Kotax here. What's up? Today we have a new video. And today we are going to be continuing the Python series. And we are going to be doing dictionaries. So what a dictionary basically is when you put some kind of input into the dictionary, it'll give an output, so a corresponding value that we set. And show a little bit more what that means, but dictionaries can be really helpful terms of storing combos of data. For example, when someone was registered into the system, like you can enter their name, and then the dictionary will spit out a year. You know what I'm saying? Like that type of thing. So yeah, we're gonna go through example creating dictionaries and everything, and we'll write a small little program at the end of the video. As always, please like, comment what you want to see next. Subscribe if you like my videos, it really would mean a lot, as I only have like 27 subscribers, but every one of you, it actually does mean a lot, so thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. Anyways, let's get started. So declaring dictionaries first. So basically you have to write your name of your dictionary, so I'm just going to call mine my dict equals, and then how it works with dictionaries is in arrays we use these square brackets, and dictionaries we use curly brackets, and then just for code formatting you kind of space it out like this, and then you write your. So basically what I meant by x and y's is I'm just gonna control A and delete everything. So you enter a key. So instead of thinking of input and output, it's the same thing, but they just use these technical terms for literally all languages. So if you enter a key, the dictionary will spit out a value. All right, so you write the keys on the left, the values on the right. So let's say I wanted to um, rate difficulties of different Rubik's cubes. So let's put a string two by two first, and then we'll rate the difficulty as a 1. And then we'll have a 3 by 3, and we'll rate the difficulty as 2. And then we'll rate, sorry, you need commas too, because it is kind of a list of keys and values, so you do need those commas. 4 by 4, we'll say the difficulty is a 3. Okay. And then we'll just do up to 5 by 5. 5 by 5 equals a 4 in difficulty. All right, so right away we can print our dictionary. Print my dict, and we don't need that equal sign. And yeah, you can see basically that 2 by 2 will yield 1. So let's basically see what keys and values mean. So let's say I wanted to get the difficulty of a 2 by 2. So how to do that is write the name of the dictionary, open square brackets, and then write the key inside there, the key that I want to find. So basically you just write 2 by 2 and it will print out the key. Or sorry, the value. It'll print out the value and you can see it corresponds to 1. So yeah, that's pretty much accessing those values and keys. We'll go a little bit more of just like accessing each and every key. Anyways, adding stuff to the dictionary. So how you add things to the dictionary, you do the name of the dictionary and do dot add, or is it append? What do you do? Oh no, here's what you do. You create square brackets and then you write the key you want. So I'm just gonna write 6 by 6. And then what you'll do is write the difficulty, so we'll just say 5. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't know why I can't remember that. And then if we print my dictionary now, you'll see that we have an extra key and value set that we've added over here. So yeah, that's adding. We're gonna put length right after removing. Okay, so removing two ways. So way number one is using pop. So you guys should definitely watch my last video. Um, I will have a card pop up the top right. Um, but yeah, pop basically deletes and prints out what you deleted. So I'll show you how that works. You write the name of your dictionary, and then you do dot pop, and then you write what key you want to delete. So I'm just going to delete 2 by 2 for now. And you can see, I need to, sorry. Why didn't it print? Does it not print for this type of case, or is it just like, uh, let me just check if yeah, I did it right. Maybe it doesn't print for dictionaries. Yeah, my apologies for that. Anyways, when you grow, you learn, whatever the saying is. So yeah, that's the first way to delete, and then the second way is honestly the way I do it usually. So that's why I'm not as familiar with pop. Is you use del, your name of the dictionary, and then what key you want to delete. So I'll say 3 by 3 for this one, and then we'll print out my dict, and you can see I deleted 3 by 3 with the del. Okay, finding the length of the dictionary, really easy stuff. How are we doing for time? We're going a bit slow. I'm gonna pick up the speed a little bit. So finding the length of the dictionary, we will just do, I'm just gonna write the output out. So we know what's going, the length of this dictionary is, I don't need a space because I'm using a comma. And then I can do just the len function. Len literally works for all the objects in Python, so that one's really easy to remember. We'll run that. Okay, print the keys. So you could use a for loop, kind of like how we did in arrays. Again, definitely watch that video. For key in my dict dot key. I don't think you even have to put keys. Let's try this out. I actually am kind of interested. So yeah, you can see the keys since we deleted everything. You know, I'm gonna delete this code for deleting because I wanna print out all the keys. So we went over removing, so I'll just delete that off the list so I don't get confused later. So yeah, that's all the keys in the dictionary, you know. Um, what else can you do? It's a list, so I think you can find the length of the keys. Let's try. Um, print len of my dict. Well, you could just do len of my dict, and you'd find, you know, how many like the length of the dictionary. But you could probably do keys. Let's just do it, even though it's literally completely pointless. Um, just better to know, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it does work. The other way to kind of do it is use the for loop for key in my dict, and you don't even need the keys, and print key. This should work. And yeah, this works as well. You can see this is the second for loop, and then this is the first for loop. So yeah, that's the two ways to print out all the keys or get all the keys. Print values, there's two ways. So for value in my dict dot, you could do values, and then you print out value. And then the other way is not as nice in my opinion, but my dict, and then what you do is to print out the value for key. Actually, this should be key. Here's why, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the keys. So there's actually technically three ways, but I'm not gonna go through all three. So basically, I'm just taking the key and plugging it into the dictionary, and it's gonna spit out the value. I could use this syntax or this syntax for the for loop, but same thing. Really, tomato, tomato. So you can see it printed out the difficulty 1 to 5 over here, first for loop, and then 1 to 5 in the second for loop. Print both. So we create a for loop that will kind of take, I think you could call them tuples, I guess. Yeah, you could. So you take key and value um, in my dict dot items, and then print out, the keys and the items. If you ever needed that function, and that's not, sorry, it's key and it's values. I don't know why I did that. That was pointless. And that's value, not values. And yeah, you can see it print out the keys and the values. Check if keys in the dictionary. Just use a simple if 7 by 7 is in. You could use the in. I didn't talk about that. Yeah, in is really useful. We'll go through a little bit more advanced if statements maybe in the next video I'm taking. That's a good topic. If it's in my dict, and then print true if it is, else print false. And you can see it's false because 7 by 7 isn't in our set of keys. You can check, I think you can check values as well. But we'll just do 6 by 6 so I can show you that this does work. And true. Let's see if I can do values. That would be interesting. Let's see if the difficulty of 5, it should be because we did enter 6 by 6. I think it'll say true. 5, do I not have 5? Maybe it doesn't work for values. Let me think. Print, I'm not just gonna print my dict dot the values. Dict values equals this. So maybe it doesn't work. Oh, because I put it in a string. It has to be like normal number. Oh, that was not smart. And you can see true. So yeah, check if key or value. So we added that. That's good. Anyways, let's quickly make this program. So I will first get the number of students, and then we'll get a for loop to input the student and marks into a dictionary, and then we'll store it all in the dictionary. So we'll first create the dictionary. We'll call it marks equals. We'll just specify as a dictionary like this right now. And then what we'll do is we'll get number of students. Usually I don't make my variable names this long, but for the video you gotta do it, you feel me? So then I would be enter the number of caps lock. We love caps lock. Enter the number of students. Okay. And we don't need, yeah, we do need a space. And then what we'll do is we'll do a for I in range. I in range number of students. What we will do is we will do marks. We'll actually create two kind of splits. So it'll be spaced by a, so we'll do a name and mark. So because we're gonna get a name right beside a mark. So we'll do input, enter name and mark. Okay, when we do a dot split, not partition, dot split. Okay, and then what we can do is, since the mark is an integer and that's our value, how we'll do this is we'll do mark. Oh, I see what the situation is. Oh, that's marks. This is marks. Okay, mark's name equals int mark. So we'll just cast a mark to an int, and then we'll print out all the like values and stuff. So I'm just gonna do XY because shorter. And marks dot items, and then we're gonna print out X and Y. All right. So that's a short little program implementation of dictionaries. So enter the number of students. We'll enter two. You know what? Since I'm not sharing my whole screen, I'm just gonna get rid of all of this. And then we're just gonna rerun so we don't have all that extra output. Enter the number of students. Let's say I have 3 students. I have John got a 100. Um, Kim got a 99. Or Kim got a bonus mark, got 102. And then Sam unfortunately failed the test barely. So you can see we create a dictionary with all those. I hope you enjoyed today's video. A little bit of a long one, but I really do hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you very much.